Okay. So Arjun, you remember we had seen a concept of base division.
Something just popped up on my screen.
Just say okay. All right. So it is base division. Now base division, remember we had taken one very easy example where we had taken 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 and we had divided it by 99, correct? Do you remember how we did this, both of you?
Yeah.
Kush, do you remember what we did? Kushagra is coming back. So we have 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 and we divided by 99. Quickly I'll do this and we'll move to the difficult level. Okay. What is the base here?
100.
Base is equal to 100. And what is the number by which we are dividing? It is
1, 2,
99. So the difference will be plus 0, 1, correct? This plus 0, 1, we are going to write it here. Then because 100 has two zeros, we are going to leave two numbers and we will draw this line, correct? 100 has two zeros, right? So we will bring down both this 12 together. Now, can we do 12 into 1? You will get 12. That 12 you can write here. You add it up, you'll get a 25. So 25 into 1. What is this one? This one is the one which you get as a difference, correct? Which is again 25. That 25 you can write here and this will give you 39. Simply, this is going to be your quotient and this is going to be your remainder and that's your answer. Have you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Arjun, did you get it? This is what we did in the last class. Coming ahead. Now, every time you are not going to get numbers like 99 and all that to divide. You will get different numbers, correct? So we had done this example, but I'll just show it to you all again. For example, if we have to do 235 divided by 88. So that means what you will do? You will write down this. It's going to be 235. Right now, we are only looking at numbers, bases like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and all that stuff. So here our base, we will take it as 100. Correct? And what is the number with which we are dividing? We are dividing by 88. Base minus number, you will get a plus 12. Arjun, are you getting it? Arjun, are you getting it? Okay. So this is going to be plus 12. Base has two zeros. So we will leave two numbers from the right and we will draw this line. Correct? You have only 2 here. It will come down as it is. Correct? Right? And then you can do 2 into 12, which will give you 24. You write the 24 here. Answer will be 59. This is your quotient. Have you got it? Yeah, guys, you can show me a thumbs up because I don't know. You guys are not unmuting and speaking. So I don't understand. Correct? All right. But it is better that you unmute and speak. Sometimes I'm not even looking at your thumbs up. So I don't understand ki aapko samjha hai ki nahi, you know, I don't get it. Okay. Then what we did, we had taken we took one example, which was a pretty huge number, pretty huge in the sense it was a number which we would look at it and we would feel that, oh my God, I don't know how to divide this. Which number was that? Remember that 31313. Remember, I'm just taking the same example because Arjun, are you getting what we are doing?
Yes.
Okay. This, how will you arrange this again? Same thing. See, such a big division. Normally, if anybody has to do this division, they will find it very difficult or they will think it's kind of not going to be so quick. But with the Vedic method, it's going to be very quick. So what are we going to do? What is the base we are going to look at?
10,000.
1, 2, 3, 4. So let us write down 1, 2, 3, 4 and then write a 1. So your base is 10,000, correct? Okay. So we will take our base as 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a 10,000. What is the number with we are dividing here? It is going to be 7887. Correct? All from 9, last from 10. What you will get here? 2113. Correct? If you subtract.
Yes,
You can use all from 9, last from 10. Arjun, do you remember all from 9, last from 10? Arjun, do you remember all from 9 last from 10?
Yes.
Yes. So you can use all from 9 last from 10 method here. And this is the subtraction you will get. So which you will write down here, which is going to be plus 2113. Now, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw a line here. The first number will come down as it is. And now you will multiply 3 multiplied by the difference, which is equal to 2113. What is the answer? 6339, which we can write down here, 6339. And now you add simply. What's the addition here? 6 plus 1 will give you 7. 3 plus 3 will give you 6. 3 plus 1, 4, and plus 1, 5. And this is going to give you 2. So then this is your quotient and this is your remainder. Got it or no? Yes?
Yeah.
There is a method which we can even do the decimals, but we will learn it later. Yes? Arjun? Have you understood?
Yes.
Have you done these sums in the last class?
No, I've only done 2-digit.
Okay. 2-digit meaning which one? The one which we did by 99. That one you did.
Yeah. Hello.
Okay, never. Yes. Yeah, Kushagra?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay. So as an as an example, let us do a couple of sums and I think you'll get it. I don't remember Kushagra and Kush, have we done a few sums on this line? The last class?
Yes, ma'am. We did 8907 divided by 13103. 7,999 divided by 12321.
Okay, I'll give you one sum there. One sum we will try with one number, with a double digit, a triple digit, and a 4-digit. After which I think things should be fine. Okay. So can we do quickly a division of 211 divided by 76? How will you do this quickly? Check. Arjun, are you doing it with me? This is equal to 211. Let us just consider the base. Let us just consider the base to be 70. Sorry, the base to be 100 only right now. Correct? And what is the number with which we are dividing? That is 76. All from 9, last from 10 will give you 24. So you'll write a plus 24 here. The base has 2 zeros. So you will draw one line counting number 2 digits on the right. The first number will come down as it is, which is 2. And then you have 2 into 24, which is equal to 48, which you can write here. And the quotient going to be. How many understood this?
Me.
Okay. One number with 3 digit. Suppose we have one. Kushagra and Kush. Did you all get this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Let's do one question. Say 1, 2, 2, 3. See, we are just learning the topic, so I'm not taking very intense questions. Okay. Once we know this topic a little bit more in detail, we can do difficult questions. Okay. So go to 1, 2, 2, 3, and we have 8, 8, 7. Now, what is the base?
1,000.
Base will be 1000. And what is the number with which we are dividing? Arjun, try yourself.
887.
8, 8, 7. All from 9, last from 10, 113. Correct? Which you will write here 113. Yes? Subtraction. Base has 3 zeros. Simply you will draw the line here. First number will come down as it is, which is equal to 1.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes. Isn't it very fast?
Yes, ma'am.
It's going to be 113. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 3 plus 3 is 6.
What?
This is the
Yeah.
quotient of your remainder. Arjun, did you get it?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do one sum with 4 digit. Say 4, 4, 3, 4, 4. And let us divide this by 8,888. So what will you do here? That's equal to 44344, and this is 8,888. Base. Arjun, what is the base? Can you tell me the base this time? Unmute yourself and tell me the base this time.
10,000.
10,000. That's a perfect number. So 10,000 minus the number that has been given to us to divide with, which is 8,888. All from 9, last from 10, 1, 1, 1, 2. So you write a plus 1, 1, 1, 2. And base has 4 zeros. So we are going to leave the 4 numbers here. The first digit will come down as it is, which is going to be 4. And then we have 4 multiplied by 1, 1, 1, 2. That's going to be 4, 4,
answer.
4, and 8. Did you get the answer, Arjun?
Yeah, 8792.
Very good. That's going to be 8792. You have to check that the remainder has to be less than the divisor. Is it less? That means you have to check that 8792 is less than 8888. It is less, so your answer, this is the quotient and this is the remainder. Are you guys getting it? Are we clear? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? Now, let's look at the next level. So what we are doing here, see, we started with something which was very easy, but as you master the easy techniques, we are going to go to difficult techniques, no? We can't keep on playing the easy techniques every time. Are you getting it or no? Arjun, do you understand? If you've understood this, I'll give you all the worksheet. I'll send you all the worksheet on our group. You all can try doing those sums. And once we finish them, we will do the sums which are a little difficult level. That means what type of sums are we looking at? Here we are going to consider a case where the answer will consist of more than like 1 digit. Until now, if you see, all our answers were 1 digit. Did you observe this? See, all our answers were 1 digit, correct? Not here, but here, correct? Now, let us see a case where your answers will be more than 1 digit. Okay. Now, what kind of sum are we looking at? Like, for example, say we have 1108 and we want to divide this by, say, 79. I want all of you all to pay attention because here this sum can be done in a different method. Anyway, that we have taken a sum. 1 second. I think. Okay. So what is the base we will take here? Who will tell me?
And
Base will
100.
be 100. Correct.
Right.
First, let us arrange the numbers there. There's going to be 1108 and you have a 79. Right now, we are taking only base 100, correct? So let us take here that the base is equal to 100. And what is the number with which we are dividing? The number is equal to 79. All from 9, last from 10, you will get a 21, correct? This 21 you can write here. Okay, I think so far there is no problem. Am I right? Now, we cannot take both the numbers together. If you take both the numbers together, you will get a very big number. So, I mean to say multiplication of 2 digit into 2 digit, correct? Okay, here we know the table of 11, but fine, even then. Okay, so what we do here, we'll take one number at a time. 1, correct? We multiply this 1 multiplied by this 21. Arjun, are you getting it? Are you writing or no? Okay. So you get a 21 here. This 21, I'll write with a different color so you understand. Okay. So this is a 21. So this 21, you can write it here like this. Correct? Everybody getting it? Now, 1 plus 2, you pull this down. This will become 3. Arjun, are you getting it? Okay. Then you will take this 3 and you will multiply this 3 again with the 21. This time you will get a 63. Correct? That 63 you can write here. Are you getting it? Arjun? Yeah. Now, if you add all of this, what do you get? You get 81. Correct? Yes or no, Arjun? Do you understand that how we get 81? Okay. Now, what are we going to do
I
here?
understood.
Okay. Now see, our 81.
Ma'am, I did not understand.
What you didn't understand? How we got 81?
Yes, ma'am.
You add this, no? Getting it, no? We have 8 plus, you put a 0 here if you want, and 63. If you add all this, what will you get? You will get 81, no? Kush, did you get it now?
No, ma'am.
Arey, you have to add this, Kush. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Carry over 1. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. 81, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, our 81 is greater than 79. Is that allowed? This is not allowed. Correct? Our remainder is greater than the divisor, which is not allowed. Correct? So in that case, we will say the table of 79 till we come close to 81. That will be 79 ones are 79 only. Correct? This 79 ones are 79. I'm going to write here 79 into 1 is equal to 79. Okay. How many understood until here? First clarify that to me. Arjun, did you understand till here? Okay. Now, pay attention to what is happening. This is a plus number. So this will be minus. Okay. And if this is minus, then this will be plus. 13 plus 1, your answer, final answer, that will be 14. And 81 minus 79, that will give you 2. So basically your quotient is equal to 14 and your remainder is equal to 2. Have you all understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. This is how it looks. Correct? We'll do a couple of sums. You will get it. Okay. Of course, nobody will understand any topic in the first sum. You'll always get to know the topic gradually. You will not get to know the topic immediately on the very first explanation. Correct? So slowly we will understand. We will do one question on this. Okay. Okay. Let's try to do 1021. 1021 divided by 89. So what can you do this? You divide and you'll write down 1, 0. Arjun, are you writing with me or no? Or are you only watching what I'm doing, Arjun? Please do not just sit watching what I'm doing, because that way you will always find that it is very easy. When you do it yourself, you might find it difficult. Maths is a subject where you have to do it yourself.
Ma'am, I got
When
the
you,
answer.
watch somebody doing, it is always easy. Correct? Now let's do the base. What is the base? Is 100. So Kush has already got the answer. Let's check. What is the number that you are dividing with? It is 89. All from 9, last from 10, it is plus 11. So you'll write plus 11 here. Correct? I'll give the remainder line with the red. Right? 2 numbers on the right. The first digit will come down as it is, which is 1. Correct? Now 1 into 11. Which 11? 11 is the difference here, correct? 11. That will give you what? That will give you 11. That 11 you'll write 1 here and 1 here, correct? Now 0 plus 11. Sorry, 0 plus 1, you get a 1. Again 1 into, again you'll multiply it with 11, which will give you what? Which will give you another 11. Correct? So write it down. Can we add this? 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, and 2. Check. 42 has to be less than 89. Okay, fantastic. So your answer is this and this. This is your quotient and this is your remainder. Are you guys getting it or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Quotient is equal to 11 and remainder is equal to 42. Are we clear about it? Yes, Arjun? Are you getting it? Okay. Now, let's do one more sum. Let's say it's going to be 1, 1, 2, 2. And we want to divide this number by 88. Okay. So it's 1, 1, 2, 2 divided by 88. Now you know base is equal to 100. So this will be plus 12, correct? See, gradually you have to stop doing certain steps, right? Because finally we have to do this mentally. All right. See, is it quick or no? Quotient is equal to 12 and remainder is equal to 66. Just check whether 66 is smaller than 88. Once you have to check that.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I still don't understand it.
That is because you are only watching me doing. You are not doing when I am doing.
Ma'am, I did it before you.
Arjun, when I am doing the sums, you are not doing it with me, no?
I am.
You are copying from the board. Copying from the board doesn't mean you are doing it with me. 1 second. Okay, we will do that sum again so that you get it. Okay, I'm just saying that gradually your speed should increase. Okay, now after every step, Arjun, are you prepared? Have you written the sum the way I have written on the board? For example, 1, 1, 2, 2 divided by 88. Arjun, in your mind, do you understand the base is 100? Yes, Arjun, unmute yourself. Base is equal to 100, correct? But you can think about it in the mind as well, right? Okay. Now, what is the number with which we are dividing? That is 88, right?
Yes.
Now, if you use all from 9, last from 10, if you subtract 100 minus 88, you will get a 12, correct?
Yeah.
That 12 we will write here. Perfect?
Yeah.
Okay. 100 has 2 zeros. So, we are going to leave these 2 numbers and we will draw a line here, right? Okay. Until here, do you have any doubts, Arjun? Okay. Now, in this case, we are going to bring the first digit down as it is, correct? Which is going to be 1. Okay. Let us change the color of this, or I'll put a circle on this blue color. Sorry, on this 12 or a box on this 12. Okay. What are we doing? We have to multiply 1 multiplied by 12. Which 12? The one in the box. Getting it, Arjun? That will give you answer 12 only, correct? Okay, this I'll just write with a different color. Let me write it with the yellow color. So say 12. 12 ones are 12. That 1 and 2, 12, you'll write down like this. Arjun, are you getting it now? This is a plus 1. So you'll add this and you will bring down the 2. Correct? Now you take this 2 and you multiply it with 12. Which 12? The same 12 in the blue box. Getting it? Which will give you what? Which will give you another number. 12 times 2 will give you 24. That 24 you can write down here. Correct? So once the numbers, this last number is finished, now there is no, you have to stop your division here. And all the numbers are positive. So you will add them. This is like a 0 here. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. And 4 plus 2, 6. So then this becomes your quotient and this becomes your remainder. Are you getting it or no, Arjun, now? Are you getting it? Correct? Kushagra and this one, you understand what we are doing? Now, let's try
Yes,
one
ma'am.
more sum. Yeah, let's try one more sum. Say 1, 0, 0, 1. Let us divide this by 79. So first of all, let's arrange the entire story out there. Going to be 1, 0, 0, 1, 79. And now we know what the base is going to be. Base is 100. And the number with which we are dividing 79. So you subtract, you get a 21. That 21 we can write down here and put it down. The first digit will come down as it is, which is going to be the 1. Correct? Now, this is the famous number in the blue box. Correct? So we'll take this 1 and we multiply it with 21. Which 21? The same one in the blue box. Correct? That will give you what? That will give you a new number that is going to be 21. This 21, you will write down 2 and 1, 21. Correct? 0 plus 2, you will get a 2 here. Correct? You take the 2 and you multiply it with 21. Which 21? The same 21 in the blue box. Correct? That will give you what? That will give you 24. You can put the 24 here and 2 plus 1 will give you a 3 and 4 plus 1 will give you a 5. Check. 35 is less than 79? Yes, it is. Good to go. What do we have? This is our quotient and this is our remainder. How many got it? Did you all get it or no? Yes? Arjun, now did you get it or no? Yes?
Ma'am, how is 21 2s are 24?
Why?
Ma'am, how is ma'am?
Oh,
How
42.
did you get 20?
Yeah, 40.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, my bad. Is it? Yes, it is. Okay. 21 into 2 is 42. New mathematics I will invent like this. 42. Correct? So that's equal to 42. That's equal to 53. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's the answer. Sometimes I think it is better I don't give exams. I will do so many kind of nonsense errors right there. Okay. I hope you're getting it right. Now I'm going to give you all one more sum, 1 or 2 more sums. I want to see how you guys are doing it. Okay. Try to do this as say, 1 second. Let's take 2111 and try to divide this with 88. Come on, all of you try this out. 1 and one more sum. Okay. Let's say 1111 and let us divide this by 97. Okay. Come on, try this out. Na, 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 na. Na, na, na. Mhm. Okay, so this is what we get, our answers. And I hope you guys have got these answers at the end of the question, correct? Yes? Now, the same technique we can apply for even larger numbers. Okay, I'm going to take here a number which is pretty large that way, and you will see how if this same technique will work for numbers which are even slightly larger. There are different levels of numbers we can take. So let's take, if we want to divide 1, 1, 2, say 1, 1, 2, 3, say take one more number if you want, divided by, let's say 8, 9, 8, 9. All of you please write this down. Arjun, make sure you write. Nobody will only watch when I'm doing. Because like that, if you do, then maths is the easiest subject. If you just keep watching me when I'm doing the sums, that maths is a very easy subject that way. Then it starts becoming difficult when you start doing it yourself. Because you don't remember what I did that time. Now, what is the base? 10,000 or no? Correct? Minus the number with which we are supposed to divide, which is 8989. Correct? And we are going to subtract this, for which we have the method with us, which is called all from 9 and last from 10. That is what? That will give you 1011. Correct? That 1011 is going to be in our famous blue box. Yes? Now, the base has 4 zeros. So from the right, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to draw our line here. Correct, guys? This is the place where we are going to draw our line. So as usual, we will take the first number down as it is. First number down as it is, no change, it's going to be 1. Then according to our process, 1 multiplied by 1011. Which 1011? That given to us in the blue box. That will give us what? That will give us
1011.
1011. How will you write that? Each digit under the numbers that we have. 1011. Correct? Now, the second line, the second number will come down by adding whatever digits you have. 1 plus 1, that will give you a 2. Now, 2 multiplied by 1011. Which 1011? That famous one in the blue box. This will give us what? This will give us
2020.
2022. So how will you write it? Each number, each digit after below each digit, correct? Do not write them all cramped up in one place, correct? Now, we are going to, and make sure that you write these numbers like separately till, the way I'm writing it, because that will only help to have clarity. 2 plus 2, you get a number which is 4. Now, you take your 4 and you multiply it with 1011. Who is this 1011? Arey Baba, the same one in the blue box. That will give you what? That will give you 4044. Where will you write it? Under each digit, 4044. We have come, see, once you come to the fag end of the number, last digit and under this 3, everybody pay attention. The moment you reach the last digit and last digit, you are going to stop your division. It is ended there. Now all, just check for once all numbers are positive, correct? Each row, each column, you will add separately with the digits that are available there. And so 4 plus 1, 5, and 5 plus 1, that will give you first digit. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, that gives you 4. 4 plus 4, that gives you 8, and 4 plus 3, that gives you 7. Are we clear? Yes or no? That
Yes,
gives you
ma'am.
your quotient and that gives you your remainder. This is the answer. Arjun, did you understand? Yes? Kush, did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Fantastic. Now, let's take one more question there, and then after that, we can just stop our class so that, you kind of understand what we have done until now. We'll take one number. Let's take, say, 10011, and let's divide this number by, say, 888. Correct? Write down the question, Arjun. Don't keep watching just. Have you written down the question? You have to do the sums. I can wait if you want. In maths, again, I am telling you, it is not that you can see what I am doing and just keep watching and do it after I finish the class. No. Immediately, you have to, of course, watch what I'm doing, but try with me.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I got the answer.
Yes, Kush, just a minute. Huh? Arjun, have you finished? Come on, let's do it. Yes, base will be 1000. Number will be how much? Kush, what did you get here?
Ma'am, actually, I did not see the question properly and I wrote 88.
So that's why. Why are you so much in a hurry? Okay, come on. So redo the question.
I got
One.
one. I got one remainder 1131.
Oh, you finished the sum?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fantabulous. So let's do this one in the blue box. Now, do you think we can remove the blue box here? Will you understand what we are doing it, or should I'll keep the blue box? Wait. Okay. Now, according to our process, the first number will come down as it is. Oh, sorry. According to our process, the first number will come down as it is, which is going to be the 1. Again, you will take 1 into 1, 1, 2. Who is this 1, 1, 2? That number which is in the blue box. Yes, Kushagra?
Ma'am, I got locked out. What did you do?
No, we are doing another sum. Have you, I'll just do this sum. Be with me. I'll show you what we did before. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
1 into 112 will give you 112. What do you do here? Each digit under each digit. Correct? That will give you what? That will give you the next thing that will pull down as it is 0 plus 1. You will get a 1. Again, this one you will multiply with 1, 1, 2. Arey, who's this 1, 1, 2? Arey, the same in the blue box. What he'll give you? He'll give me 1, 1, 2. So that I will write down where? That I will write down here. I have reached the last digit of my number, and here at this position, we are going to stop our addition, our
Ma'am,
division.
you wrote 122.
Why? Yeah, yes, I did. 112. Now, so once we have reached the last figure, we have to stop our division. That's going to be 1 plus 1 will give you 2. 2 plus 1 will give you 3, and that will give you 2. Correct? So, just check. 232 is less than 888. Yes, 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 it is. Correct? That gives you
Ma'am,
the quotient. Yes.
Isn't the answer
2424243. Why? Oh yeah, I added only the yellow part, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Sorry. That's equal to 243. 243. Yes. This is the quotient and this is the remainder. Yeah? Arjun, did you get it now? Okay. So, like this, guys, we can actually divide. We will see, we will increase our intensity of numbers. We will take a little bit difficult numbers, and gradually we will see how we can divide any size number with any size number with Vedic maths. And by the time we do that written, This what we are doing right now will be completely done mentally. Are we clear? Okay, I'll see you all
Yes, ma'am.
tomorrow in the entire batch because today it's Friday, only 3 of you are there. Tomorrow you join in with the entire batch so that we do the sums further. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
thank you all of you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.